Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Deer and this is Deer RC Hobby Reviews.
Hi guys, I'm going to fly the F-35 again, the FX9635 by DRC, using my jumper remote. I did get a new factory remote that works excellent, has a lot better range. Just to get that out there. But anyway, I'm going to try a little 3D flight if I can today. Hope you all doing well. Thanks for watching. There we go. Just going to hand launch it. In the air. Oh, flipped it into 3D mode by accident there. Definitely turns better. Wow, this thing is cool. Or a little elevator when you're turning at 6G, and it helps to turn quicker. Look at that stall in the wind. That was cool. Definitely a good flyer. It gets right up in the sky. It's a very aerodynamic plane. I'm still in 6G right now. I'm trying to get my bearings with it a little bit here. Okay, a little further out, maybe in the field. Okay, on my path coming back, we're going to try a little 3D action. See if I can't do a roll or something, a loop. Here we go. Oh, there was a roll. Oh, it turns much better in 3D. Much better. Very cool. Not sure if we'll be able to perform a loop or not. Let me get a little more altitude. Still in 3D mode. Wow, definitely a lot more capable airplane in 3D mode. Look at that. That's cool. Turned much better. Very neat. So there's the 3D mode. Wow, so I really like this airplane. This is cool. I wish I had a good spot on the runway. I'm gonna go back in 6G here. Getting too close to them trees for my liking. Oh no, come back here. Well, we got her. The wind is picking up a little bit. Nice. So yeah, 3D is really capable with this airplane, the FX9635. I did do a tutorial video on how to set this Redmi, or the not Redmi, but the jumper remote up with it. Very cool. I can see a big jet over there, big jumbo. Try to slow her down. Get ready to land this thing. Wind's picking up a little bit more than I like. We're going to try to back walk out into the grassier part so I don't have to try to land it out here. Very cool. Notice it doesn't like turning to the right as well as it likes turning to the left when you're in the 6G modes. That thing's pretty zippy. You got to keep them really moving, the EDS. Just have a terrible place to fly. All right, there we go. We're gonna try to bring it in. There we go. That's about as light as I can do without a runway. That was the FX9635 using the Redmi or the jumper remote. I don't know why I want to keep saying that. That's what my phone is. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.